Now, get ready to travel back in time to meet a great freedom fighter. Class 5D is going to present a short play that shows the strength and courage of Bhagat Singh. He was young and full of love for India and was ready to fight for it. He believed that even young people can make a big difference. Now, get ready to watch and learn his story brought to life by Class 5D.
We are not criminals. We are the citizens of India. They jail us without proof. They silence our leaders. This is not justice. This is a slavery.
Yes, we are not their servants. They treat us with cruelty and call it kindness. Their empire is built on our tears and blood.
Yes, we have to stop this act.
My lord, my lord, we want freedom, not fear. British law!
Illegal, huh? Your empire is illegal, Namaraj. You can beat us, but cannot break our spirit. You can fight our bodies with your feet, but not our minds.
What's happening?
You people think you can defeat the Empire with your sticks and slogans? We will crush your rebellion! Gods, beat them!
In 1919, the British passed a new law called the Rowlatt Act. This act allowed them to arrest anyone without a trial. People could be jailed just for raising their voice, even if they were innocent. Indians were shocked and angry. They took to the streets and protested all over the country. In the land of
Freedom is not given. It is earned with courage. And we have plenty of it.
In the land of Punjab, there was already a fire rising in a little boy's heart. His name was Inqilab Zindabad Bhagat Singh. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Punjab. His father's name was Sardar Kishan Singh and his mother's Mata Vidyavati. Their family were known for their love for the nation. Even before he was born, his father and uncles were freedom fighters too. It was that patriotism ran in his blood. Papa, can you catch me? Then catch me, catch me. Vande Mataram! We want freedom! Vande Mataram! We want freedom! Vande Mataram! We want freedom! Papa, why are they shouting Vande Mataram? Why are they angry? And moreover, they saying freedom. What is freedom? But the British don't allow that, right? But that is wrong. How can someone else take over us in our own home?
Beta, our country is not free. Beat our people to silence our voice. Many great leaders are fighting. It's a long struggle. Now go there with your toys.
Papa, I don't want toys. I want to grow strong. And one day, I'll make Mother India free.
Shabash, beta. Let's go.
war, Bhagat Singh witnessed something horrifying.
Dear all, we have to convince the British government to provide basic needs for our country. Yes, of course.
General Dyer ordered soldiers to fire unarmed men, women and children in Jallianwala Bagh. Over 2,000 people died.
Come on, let's go.
They were met with bullets. Even children are not safe in this land now. Is this what the British call justice? Is this what the British call civilization? If they can shoot unarmed people without shame, then I must give up my childhood and become a soldier of freedom.
Bhagat Singh grew up and joined other young revolutionaries. He believed freedom is not begged for, it is fought for.
In 1927, the British government brought the Simon Commission into India, but there was not a single Indian member in it.
People were crossing India and were angry. They saw it as an insult to Indian self-respect.
Then our great freedom fighter, Lala Lajpat led a peaceful protest, protesting all across Lahore. Simon Commission! Go back! Simon Commission! Go back! Simon Commission, go back! India deserves its own voice and we will not be ruled like slaves. Simon Commission! Go back! 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 Simon Commission! Go back!
Simon Commission, go back! Simon Commission, go back! Simon Commission, go back! Lala Lajpat Rai died from his injuries a few days later. His death shook the country and especially the young revolutionary Bhagat Singh.
They killed Lala Ji for protesting peacefully?
Yes, Bhagat, we cannot stay silent. His blood cries for justice.
Yes, then let's target the man who ordered the beating.
His name is James Scott. Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad!
Is that James Scott?
Yes, it must be him.
Shoot! Oh no! We made a mistake. This is not James Scott. Let's run! Run! that loves India.
are free.
Bless me, Ma.
Bhagat Singh, time up.
Yes, tell your government that they may hang our body, but they cannot hang our revolution. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru, hanged by the British.
They walked to the gallows with smiles on their faces. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru